Hey Daryl, I can't find my salted watermelon matcha latte gum anywhere. I looked everywhere. Do you know where it is?
Kody, I happen to have a video on all 26 storage locations in the taco truck. That may help you.
Is it on the Tacoma roadside rescue card in the glove box?
It isn't, but you can find it on the Tacoma Owner's Guide playlist. Don't worry, I just sent the link to you. Hey guys, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to actually count the number of storage locations there are in my Tacoma. Now this is going to be factory and some add-on stuff. And it's kind of interesting, but there's a lot of storage in a Tacoma. Okay, starting with the door, okay? You've got your lower storage area for water bottles and that. You've got storage over here in the middle. You could put things in there. And then with mine, I've got these little inserts from Muslogy. I bought a whole kit of stuff from Muslogy, and that can store coins and stuff like that. Okay, let's move on around. Coming here towards the center, okay, there is sunglasses storage. There is, I've got this unit here that just slides over, but this is storage behind your infotainment center, okay? I'm going to count this as two storage areas, but you've got storage over here, okay? And then you got storage in the front. Rarely do I use my charger here, okay? So I count that as storage. Again, two different storage places, okay? Now, on the other side of the dash here, you have storage here in this cubby back here. And then you've also got storage in the glove box, okay? And it's kind of one of the things I like is I found this online. It's a leather thing for your manuals. Pick one up if you guys can. Okay, coming back over here and stepping out of the truck for a moment. Right here is a hidden storage. The lid on this thing, or cover on this thing, actually says accessory ready in Morse code on it. And then on the inside there's a QR code. And if I remember correctly, that takes you to a Tacoma only Toyota website. Okay? Oh, and what I store in here, electrical tape container. I got a rag in here, or a paper towel in here, and I also store all my coin batteries in here. So I've got the two different remotes, okay, the slim key and the key fob, and then I also have my garage door opener battery in there too. Let's kind of pull on out here a little bit. I've got storage behind the seat here. This is where I keep one of my tripods, my portable monitor, and my computer slides back there. I've also got, oh, and I missed that in front. Here, let's go back in front for a moment. Just to complete the center console up, I've got storage on either side. This is a Muslogy thing. And I really should take the double-faced sticky tape off at some point and stick this down. But I've got storage in a pocket here and storage in a pocket here. This is a good place for me to put my phone or coil up my charging cable, because I don't use that one over there, remember I said? I also have storage in the console. So I've also got a storage tray inside my console. I got my console storage underneath, okay, and then in the, again, part of that Muslogy thing that I got, there is also a storage space in here where you could, I wouldn't say hide, but it keeps it out of sight. You can put registrations and stuff like that in there. Okay, you put that back in, close that. Okay, so that should complete the front seat stuff. Okay. Okay, over here we've got storage on the bottom, and then also you could count this as storage right here too. But you could use that as storage. I also have on this side a bunch of stuff under the seat. Okay, tool rolls, hauling kits, hammers, garbage bags. My hitch is under there. A divider net for my bed. I have a bed cover net here. I've got my everyday Tacoma stuff back here, and a box of business cards. Also over here, this seat folds forward, and it's not a lot of storage, but you can put some things back here. I put a tarp back here and that. So there's a lot of stuff. Now, let's go to the other side. I'll open up the other side so you guys can actually see it. And over here on the passenger side, we've also got storage down here, and you have storage up here too. So we've got storage underneath here. Now, one thing I want to make you guys aware of is if you've got a hybrid, you don't have all this room. Okay, there's batteries that hide underneath this thing back here. Okay, so, but I keep first aid kit back here, a better one than the one that Toyota sent you. There's a wash mitt and some other things, tape measure, some pigtails for the auxiliaries. Also on this side, you pull up on this, and now you've got access to your jack storage, your tire changing kit. I keep a breaker bar back here with a 13/16 socket, a Stetson wrench, and a plastic panel that's going to eventually end up being stuck here with Velcro. But very, very, very handy storage. Okay, let's go to the very back. In the very back, there is storage. Let me get you in frame. Right here. Comes in handy. I put bungees and stuff like that back there. One thing I will warn you about is it is kind of open to getting water into it. This is open right to the inner fender well and all that stuff like that. So whatever I put back here, I use some heavy duty bags, Ziploc bags, and put them in heavy duty Ziploc bags. That works out pretty well. Let's close that back up. Hey, there's some storage underneath here too. I shouldn't call it storage, but it does store something, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. But here's your fuse box cover. Okay, there is storage inside this thing for 3 fuses. Okay, and there's also storage for a fuse puller. Let me see if I can get that in frame. So there's your fuse puller. Very handy storage, even though it's not huge storage. It is storage. So guys, that pretty much completes what we got there. I think I have about 26 storage locations in this vehicle. Kind of impressive. If there's anything you guys got questions about, or if you find some that I don't know about, or if you got anything that you think we should add to it, let me know. I'd be interested in seeing it. Until next time, guys, be safe out there.
Daryl, I watched the video and I looked everywhere. I can't find it. It was in that orangish blue wrapper.
Just blue wrapper? I found that the other day. I thought it smelled rotten, so I threw it away.
You what? If you enjoyed hanging out with us and riding shotgun in the taco truck, go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with your friends or even your own everyday Tacoma guy or girl. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because one day Daryl and I might actually start selling tacos out of the back of this thing. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. We really do love this community. Love you guys. Until next time, this is Kody.